Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, here at the granite surface plate. Wanted to follow up on testing some things to see how flat they are and how straight they are. It's a real short one. So normally we use the 0.04 millimeter or the 1.5 thousandth shim and to two machine shops and ask them if they have a way to test to see if this straight edge is straight. Machine shop, you know, fancy CNC tools and all this other stuff. No, they could not tell me if this was straight. Oh. So, by the way, you all asked me who made this, and this one is made by eye gauging, and it is a ruler up here as well, and it is in inches broken down in 64ths. So I wanted to compare it to my granite plate. So it grabs, it grabs, it grabs, it grabs, it grabs. Okay, in that direction. I didn't want to invest in some finer steel shim. So I went and I picked up a pack of cigarette papers and I measured it with the micrometer. It comes out as close as I can see to 1/1000th of an inch. So this is a 1/2 thinner than the feeler gauge. So grabs, 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 starts to pull a little bit there and it grabs. Now I don't know if that's the stone or the rule. So we'll move the rule, grab, grab, grab. A little bit hollow right here, and that's kind of where it was hollow before. So I'm thinking there might be a slight hollow in the rule right there. So if you need to test something, that's loose there, but it does grab. There you go. And you want to see if it's flat to within 1/1000th of an inch. You can even find somebody you know that has cigarette paper and just say, I need one piece. So for right now, I have to assume that that straight edge is close to straight. So if we go back to the hand planes and we retract them, okay, and just wipe them across my hand, put them on the diagonal here. It's grabbing, 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 grabbing. The number 5 is grabbing all the way on that side, grabbing, 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 grabbing. A little bit loose, but still grabbing on the heel. So the number 5 is good to go. Number 5.5. And another way you can tell if your plane is flat is when you have it on a datum surface and you go to pick it up, you can feel there's resistance. See, it's grabbing, 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 grabbing. Yeah. So for all intents and purposes, these two planes are as flat as they need to be. So now I've got a little bit of a tear in my paper. So that'll be trash. Yeah, there's just a little spot. Turn it around here, see if it's the stone. See, it's just grabbing, but it will pull out right there. Here too. It's pulling out just a little bit here. So the 5.5 still has an ever so slight concavity to it, but nothing I'm going to worry about. So there you go. Cigarette paper. 1/1000th of an inch disposable test. Head out to your shop. Walter out.